You are responsible for everything you post, and everything you post is the reflection of you. Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Yatharthi Mishra, is here to present a speech on the topic Social Media is Misleading Our Youth. Social media has become an integral part of our daily life, especially for the younger generation. Platforms like Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram are not only the tools for communication, but also the spaces where opinions are formed, trends are set, and ideas are shaped. Each and everything, including social media, has both advantages and disadvantages. Let us talk about some of them. It enables us to create a platform for creativity. It also poses significant risk, particularly when it comes to the impact. Moreover, social media also plays a significant role in spreading misinformation. In the quest of viral contact and certain accounts, which often results in misleading, have long-term consequences. In conclusion, while social media can be a powerful tool for communication and learning, it also has the potential to mislead our youth in harmful ways. At last, I would like to end my speech by a quotation: do not use social media to impress people, use it to impact people.
Very good.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Riya, and today I'm here to be presenting views about how social media misleading our youth. Social media has become an integral part of many young people's life. It has emerged as a dynamic and transformative force. This allows us to connect with people, friends, and many others. Social media can have a negative impact on youth for a number of reasons, including depression, anxiety, sleeping disorders, and eating habits. Nowadays, social media can also be called as a source of misinformation and misleading content, as this can negatively impact the young ones by promoting unrealistic body images, which leads some teens to form views about other people's lives or bodies that aren't realistic. It exposes some teens to online predators who might try to exploit or extort them. The more time spent on social media can lead to create a strong link between misinformation, harmful content, social contact, unwanted comparison, and digital stress. Social media platforms can also pose significant security and privacy risks. Social media is an investment of valuable time and money. Social media is a platform for people to spread lies about themselves. At last, I would like to say that social media is a boon or bane. It depends on the person who travels in this plane. Some social media users have loads of gain, but for some users it leads to lifelong strain. Users are the ones who are main, they will be culprits for their pain.
Very good.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Madhav Mishra present here to talk about the topic that many of us often wonder about it. What is better, an e-book or a paper book? Both have their own advantages and disadvantages. So now let's look at the both sides. First, I would like to talk about e-book. An e-book is a digital version of a book that you can read on devices like smartphone, tablet or e-reader. One of the biggest advantages of e-book is that they are portable. You can carry hundreds of books in one device, which is perfect for your travels or when you want to read in different places. Now let's talk about paper book. A paper book is a traditional way of reading and has been around for centuries. One of the biggest advantages of paper book is that they do not need battery. Whether you can read them whether you are on a plane or sitting by a fire. You do not have to worry about charging them. Paper books gives us tangible experience such as turning of pages, the smell of the paper, and the joy of finishing a chapter or book. So what is the better option? It depends on your need and preference. If you want tangible experience such as turning of pages, smell of the paper, then paper book is great choice. But if you want convenience and have ability to carry hundred of books at once, then an e-book might be better for you. Thank you.
Very good.
Good evening everyone. Today I Saurabh Yadav is going to express my feeling on the topic what is better, e-book or paper book. According to my opinion, paper book is always better than e-book. Because e-book gives strength to our eyes but paper book never do so. E-book needs internet, electricity, phone signal, battery charging, etc. But paper book you can read easily without thinking about such arrangements. While reading ebook, you get distracted through advertisement or shared link. But paper book is meant for focus on your reading only. You can carry thousands of ebook in one small device, but such device may get damaged if they fall down. Such situation never comes with ebook. Hence, paper book is always better than ebook. Thank you.
Very good.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today I, Aradhana, is standing before you all to express my thoughts on the topic that how social media is misleading our youth. So as we know, social media in recent time has become a tool of control and manipulating people's thinking. Popular social media apps such as Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, etc. are helping people to stay connected with each other with just a click of a button. By serving educational tools, marketing tools for small and medium business that can afford to advertise. They help us to be updated by the latest news and trends and etc. But these are the advantages of the social media. Now have you ever noticed the disadvantages of the social media? That how they are misleading ourselves? We share our personal information on social media which can lead to scamming, bullying, etc. Some people spend most of their time on the internet. It can be because of their work, jobs or for entertainment, their health issues. It can also increase their feeling of depression, anxiety, poor body image and loneliness. So by the end of this topic, you have understood that social media is beneficial for us in some ways and in some ways not. So in conclusion, I would only like to say that social media have both profound and complex effect on public. Thank you.
Very good. Teacher say.
Good evening and Happy New Year, all of you present here. Today, Arya is going to present about speech on animals should be reduced, banned on religious place. In the mountainous area, there are many temples on very high range. Animal used to carry heavy loads and weight of people on their
Back.
on their back. They can fall from the high range. They can get many injuries also. They can hurt. Their owner did not give them proper food, medicines, and beat them and do more than works from them. So please don't harm the animal. If you want to impress God, please impress from your heart. Do not hurt anyone. Thank you.
Very good.
Today I talk about a wonderful topic named how will reduce, recycle can save our environment. Garbage is a thing that are of no use. We can throw them as a waste. The waste material include plastic, bottled food, old clothes, etc. Reduce. We can reduce waste by using metal or plastic lunch boxes in which aluminium foil is used. It is very harmful for our health. It is non-biodegradable waste. Napkin is made from clothes is good option to replace with paper napkin. Reuse. We can reuse several things instead of throwing away. For example, try to store things in a box made from cardboard. Recycling. Recycling is the process of changing used material into new product. For example, metal, glass, paper, etc. Biodegradable waste. The waste they are mixed with soil easily and decompose in the soil. For example, vegetable peels,
Hurry, yaar.
old clothes, etc. Non-biodegradable waste. The waste they are not decomposed in the soil easily and produce lots of pollution. Improper waste management can lead land, water, air pollution. In the end, I am saying the quotation, cleaning space, creating happy faces. Thank you.
Very good. Very good.
Good afternoon to one and all present over here.
Bas.
Today, I, Ragini, is going to deliver a speech on the given topic, social media misleading our youth.
Social media in recent times has become a tool to control and manipulate people's thinking. Some popular social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. are helping people stay connected by sharing information with just a click of a button. With their highly interactive platforms and user-friendly nature, social media are becoming more versatile and accessible. Social media social media has become integral part of a modern society, particularly among young people. It provides a platform for self-expression and communication.
Animals have right to live free from abuse, harm and exploitation of humans. Good morning everyone. Good morning one and all presented here. I am Avni of class 7. Today I am here to talk about an interesting topic, animals' rights, especially in religious places. As we are going to start a new year, firstly make our world kinder place for everyone, including animals. Animals are living beings just like us. They also feel pain, fear, joy, happiness and kindness. They have emotions and feelings. Some religious rituals teaches us to respect all living beings including animals and treated them with kindness. However, in some religious places, animals are still harmed or treated poorly. This goes against very love and compassion that these places promote. We can celebrate our beliefs without hurting animals' right. There are many beautiful ways to honor our tradition. It can cause great suffering to the animal.